Hi everyone! So we'll need black and white fondant, 4 pieces of black fondant, these are for the eyes, for the ears, and about 15 pieces of white fondant bollies for the wool. We'll start off with the face, just flatten the black fondant out. Now the 2 smaller pieces of black fondant, we'll flatten them out as well. Put some water. And there we'll stick on his ears. There you go. Now using a small ball tool, make 2 holes, add a bit of water. First a little ball of white fondant and flatten it out using your bigger ball tool, and then 2 small pieces of black fondant, and there we have his eyes. Now let's just make a small smile, and there we have our sheep's head. Now take the 4 black fondants, roll it out that it's a bit flat, breaking 1 toothpick into 2 to use them as the base. Add a bit of water so they stick, and prick the 4 pieces into the big white base, and there you have the legs. Now using half a toothpick, add a bit of water, and that will be used as the pillar for the sheep's head. Now using a bit of water as glue, we will stick the white fondant bollies on the sheep. And there you have his wool. And there's our little sheep. Thanks for watching.